Hey friends, if you wish to fix kernel mode heap corruption blue screen of death error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, we need to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the memory diagnostic tool. So search for memory in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. And the third one is to run the driver verifier tool. So search for verifier in the Windows search bar, go to verifier, and then you can select standard settings, next, and then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.